Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to see the channels of distribution. In that channels of distributions, I am Sachin Korde from Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy Tanduri. In that we are going to learn retailer. In last video we saw the wholesaler. Now we are going to see the retailer. A person or businesses that sells the good to the public in relatively small quantity for use of consumption rather than for resale. It means he will purchasing the goods from the wholesaler and he will selling to the final customer. But that final customer will not sell that product to the other persons. He will purchase that product for himself for their personal consumption. Retailer is a middleman between the wholesaler and actual consumers. Retailer deals in pharmaceutical trade is known as a chemist and druggist, that is the medical shop. Now we are going to see the functions of retailer. There are near around the 7 to 8 functions which is performed by the retailer. First one is the ready stock. He will keep the stock available for their wide variety of stock available in this shop. He knows that the customer regularly coming and purchasing that product, so he will keeps available that product on priority basis. That is called as ready stock. Second one is the variety of product. He keeps the lots of products available to satisfy their customer, so customer will never be bounced. That is called as the variety of products are available in his shop. Third one is the transportation. In many cases, retailer will supply the or he will providing the home delivery to their customers. That is called as the transportation. Grading and packaging. He will never perform these functions. Grading and packaging. Grading and packaging mostly performed by the wholesaler and manufacturer. Remaining products are left. That products will be graded and packed by the retailer. Next one is the risk bearing. He keeps this ready stock. He will keep the variety of items in his shops, and there will be the chances of fire, theft, or any other circumstance in that will cause loss to that retailer. He will also bearing the risk for their customers. This is also the function which is performed by the retailer. Next one is the market information. As a retailer, he has the direct contact with the customer, so he will know their likes, dislike, which kinds of products are running in this market, which are the competitor activity, all information regarding the product and all information regarding them that market he knows very well, and that information he will providing to the wholesaler, and wholesaler will providing to the manufacturer, so manufacturer will manufacture that kind of product to satisfy their customer. Next one is the financing. He will also providing the financing facility. Like he will providing the credit to their customers. Regular customers are coming and buying the same product, so he will able to provide the customer, and also he from the local place, so he will know that customer very well. So he will able to provide the credit facility to their customer. Next one is the sales promotion. He will also performing the role of sales promotion, or he will performing the role of marketing. He will keep their product into the window display, so customer will be easily find that product or easily look that product, that company name, that brand name, that MRP should be able and should be visible to that customer, so customer will be able to like to that buy to that product. That is it is also performing the role of sales promotion. Next is the topic that services performed by the retailer. The retailer will providing the services to the wholesaler as well as consumer. As we know the functions of the retailer, that function is the services of the consumer. He is providing the credit facility, transportation, home delivery, as well as a variety of goods are kept in his shop, as well as discounting facility. These are the services which is providing by the retailer to the consumer, and wholesaler he will only providing the two kind of services. He will giving the market information to the wholesaler. Also, second one is the market information. One is you will giving the all information regarding that market, like competitor activity, like which products are running or like or dislikes, and It will be helpful for the wholesaler as well as the manufacturer. And second one activity is he will he will also giving the advance payment to the wholesaler. That is also the services which is performed by the retailer. These are the services which is performed by the retailer to the wholesaler as well as consumer. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.